In today's video, we're looking at a hacksaw from the Roman villa at Stup in Bosnia Herzegovina. As you can see, the shape is quite unusual, with the relative angle of the blade to the handle is offset where usually they're in line. It's got a particularly curved bow on the front. This example has a hand cut blade which has been case carburized without a set. Generally on a thin blade you don't need a set as much as you do on a thicker, wider blade. So let's give it a cut. We're using a piece of cedar wood held in place with the bench holdfast, so let's see how it cuts. If you exclude my bad hacksawing skills, it works quite well. The hacksaw from the Roman villa at Stup.